Hello everyone, my name is Sanika and in today's video we are going to see how to create the collapsible section based data entry form in Power Apps. So without wasting time, let's start it for this video. So this type of form we have to create in Power Apps. When I click on this toggle button, then all section will be off. Then when I click on this customer information button, the section will be open. Likewise the second section and the third section. So let's get started for this video. So firstly, add the gallery on the screen and on the items property of this gallery, give the data source name. Then on the onSelect property of this gallery, declare the variable that set GBL item, comma this item, and on the add customer button, put the formula that set GBL item, comma blank, and navigate to the customer screen. When I click on this add customer button, then it will navigate to the form screen and create this form. First we have to add the form in the screen. So firstly add the form on the screen and connect to the data source. On the items property of this form, we have to put the variable name, that is GBL item. To create the section in this form, so on the edit field option we have to add the custom card. We need this custom card on the top, then put this custom card on the topmost field, then edit this custom card, set its width, parent.width, and height 50. Then add the button in that custom card and set its width, parent.width. Likewise we have to add the another two custom card. So add the two custom card. We have added this two custom card, then data card in between the section we want, and edit that data card. Likewise the first data card we have edited. We have added this button, then edit the name of that button, that is customer information. Then the second button is the sponsor information. And the third, which is special conditions. So we need to work on the visibility of the button. So on the onSelect property of this button, I have created a variable called GBL field. If GBL field equal to 1, then set the GBL field to 0. Otherwise, set the GBL field to 1. We need to put this formula on the second button also. So on the second button, I put this formula and simply put it to, because this is the second button, and for the third button, on the onSelect property of this third button, here 3. Now we need to work on the visibilities of this. So select this data card, And on the visible property of this, put the formula that if trivial field equal to 1 or GPL field equal to -1, then true, otherwise false. Select the second section, and on the visible property put the formula if Virchow field equal to 2, then true, otherwise false. Then on the third section, select the third section, and on the visible property put the formula and put here 3. Now I am creating this button more interactive, so set its border radius to 30 for the second button, also its border radius to 30, and for the third border radius 30. I am also changing the color of this. Now this color looks good. Here I have also added the arrow. So on the arrow and on the visible property of this arrow, I put this formula. If GBL field equal to 1, then this will be false, otherwise it will be true. When I click on this button, then the down arrow will be visible. So on this down arrow, I put the formula on the visible property. If GBL field equal to 1, then this will be true, otherwise this will be false. On that arrow, I put if GBL field equal to 2, then false, otherwise true. And then on the down arrow, if GBL field equal to 2, then true, otherwise false. And in the third section of the arrow, I put the formula that if GBL field equal to 3, then false, otherwise true. And on the down arrow, if GBL field equal to 3, then true, otherwise false. Now I have added this toggle button, and on the uncheck property of this toggle button, I use the formula that set GVL field -1, and on the uncheck property I use the formula on the uncheck property I use the formula that set GVL field 0. When I click on this toggle button, then the entire form will be open, and when I uncheck this toggle button, then the form will be closed. So this is how the toggle button work. Session we have created this collapsible form. When I click on this section, the section will be open. When I click on the another section will be open, and when I click on this toggle button, the entire form will be open. If you like this video, then please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video, and have a nice day.